Hello, my name is Shannon. I'm a 22-year-old senior at the University of New Hampshire, and welcome to a weekend in my life. I just got out of class for the day. I had a dance class, and then I showered and got ready, and now I have to pack because I'm going to Kennebunkport, Maine for the weekend. My aunt has a house up there, and it's Easter weekend, so we're gonna have some family time and stuff, and then Brian's gonna come up tomorrow. And then on Sunday, we're coming back here and going to his sister's house for Easter. There's a lot going on. I'm just wearing this little tube top. I believe it's from PacSun. I think it's like Lottie Moss or something. And then these shorts are from Express. They're my spring clothing haul. Make sure you check that out. And this denim jacket is also from Express. I might end up taking it off because when I was outside, it was pretty hot and humid outside. It's like 75 degrees. And then these shoes are from Lulu's. I've been wearing them all the time. I'm obsessed with them. Also in my spring clothing haul, so again, make sure you check that out. Update, I'm definitely taking the jean jacket off because it looks better without it anyway. Now my mom and my brother are gonna be here in like 10 minutes and I haven't packed anything, so I have to do that very quick. So I just finished packing, and I usually like to pack like by outfit and like by day, so I know exactly what I need. But I just don't have time for that right now, so I literally just threw all my clothes and shoes and hair stuff in this Christmas tree shop bag. And then my backpack has like my skincare and makeup and electronic like cords, and then a purse, a water bottle, which I'm actually gonna put in here. And then this bag has my laptop, water bottle, and I'm gonna put my tripod and my camera case in there. And then we're good to go. I need to invest in a duffel bag because I could totally fit all of this stuff and all of that stuff in a duffel bag. I'm also aware that I pack way too much. I'm always an overpacker because I'd rather have more than what I need than not enough of what I need. I don't know, I've always been like that. Total pack rat. Just got to Kennebunkport, and
we're on the roller coaster, guys.
The roads are like not fixed yet from the winter because they're like dirt back roads. We're here. Oh, look, it's Uncle Dennis. So this is where I'll be staying. This is one of the guest rooms. Super cute. Got some closets. A nice big mirror. Love a mirror. This is the bathroom I'll be using. These lights work, that's good. So pretty. Oh, hey, what's up, MTV? Welcome to my crib. So this is the entryway of my Kennebunkport, Maine house. We live right next to the bushes, actually. I can see George Bush right there. Oh, hey George, what's up? Yeah, I'll see you later, maybe, we'll see. This is a bit of a work in progress. Yeah, this is the living room. My prime possession is this mirror up here. I use it to take all my outfit pictures. Here's the kitchen. Oh, and look, it's our private chef. This is one of my favorite parts, the fridge. Come on in, come check it out. We got bottles on bottles on bottles. All the cheese you could ever want. We're stacked. Avocados, seltzer, you name it. Got it all. Ever need. This is my wraparound porch. Yep. It's all finished. Come on, follow me. I wanted it to go all the way around, so you know you can get the whole view. So here's the guest bedroom. This is where all the peasants sleep. There's probably a cat under there or something. And we got a nice lump going on. Is it breathing? Oh, there's definitely an animal under there, that's for sure. So we'll move on to the master bedroom, where I sleep, of course. So welcome to the master bedroom. We got a nice fur rug here. Don't worry, it's faux. This is my favorite shower in the whole house. It's really nice. Got some nice sitting room. You know, you get tired in the shower, you need to take a seat. Very useful. Here it is. We got all the Gucci, Fendi, all the Prada, everything, you name it, it's all here. All the designers, Louis Vuitton. Let's check out the upstairs. So here's the upstairs. This is also where the second tier peasants sleep. They're not quite at the bottom, they're in the middle. We got some nice marble granite table going on. The 87-inch screen TV. This is the last guest bedroom. Yep, we got a nice big bed, California king. Bureau right here. It actually was in the White House at one point, and now it's here because I wanted it. So, guest bathroom. Now I have one sink right here that I use for strictly skincare purposes, and then this sink I use for everything else. But you gotta make sure you have your own skincare sink, or else you'll never look like this. Yep, and this is my PhD from Harvard Business School. That's all I have to say. So we've just been hanging out for a bit, and then we went to the beach and walked around, but it was really cold, so it didn't last very long. And now we're going into downtown Kennebunkport to get some dinner at this place called Federal Jack's. So I just threw on some jeans and this cute tank top I got at Express last weekend, and these shoes from Lulu's. And yes, I'm doing some denim on denim because I didn't bring any other jacket. Oh, and I threw some braids in my hair just because it was looking kind of wild after the beach. This place is so cute. Does anybody else's mom need you to like shine a light for them on their menu? Is it just me? So I just got carded, which is like fine. But then he asked me for like a credit card with my name on it too, which I thought was really strange. But anyway, I got a drink. Here's a little disclaimer from here on out in the video. My viewfinder is not working on my Weekle camera, so going to have to bring that back to the store and hopefully get another one because it's only been a couple days, so I think there's like a 15-day warranty. But the rest of this footage might be kind of awful because of the fact that I can't see what I'm shooting, so. Saturday now. It's like literally 2 o'clock. I slept kind of late. I just showered and washed my hair, and I just finished blow drying it. And look at this blow dryer that my aunt has at her house. Isn't that so like different? I've never seen one like it, and I kind of like it. Kind of want to get one, not gonna lie. Now I'm going to do my makeup, and I think I'm gonna film it because I'm gonna do just like my everyday makeup routine. So I just finished filming my everyday makeup tutorial, but my viewfinder wasn't working, so we'll see how that actually comes out. Now I'm just making myself some lunch. I'm making some rice pasta mac and cheese because you know, sometimes you just need some mac and cheese, but rice pasta makes it a little better. So look at how cute this little spoon is. It's got a smiley face. So it's a gross rainy day, unfortunately, but my aunt and I are going to Ocean State Job Lot just to get some stuff. My mom just pulled up next to me. We're just gonna get some stuff that she needs for her house and some stuff for dinner tonight. And Brian's coming, and some other family that has houses up here is coming up too, and we're gonna make fajitas. So I wanted to make food to bring to Brian's sisters tomorrow, but he said they already have like way too much food. So I thought it'd be cute to get a little thing for his 11-year-old niece. So I got this cute little makeup bag. It says always chase your dreams. It's so pretty. And then these chocolate covered gummy bears, which look really good. I kind of want some for myself. And then just some chapstick, because who doesn't need more chapstick? And then Brian loves Cadbury cream eggs, and I just found these cookies and they're like $1, so I'm just gonna get them and give them to him. I also really want to try one, so I'm gonna make him give me one. What a beautiful beach day. I'm gonna go tan, I think. So I forgot to bring any type of bra or bralette with me, and the shirt is kind of like you need something with it. And so at Job Lot I found this little bandeau for like $3, and it's perfect. And also I had to safety pin this shirt because it was like flying open when I sat down, but it looks nice. The fajitas going, some chicken, and some veggies. And then we have our tortillas, we have queso, and corn, and black bean, salsa, tortilla bowls, which I've never had before. I think I need to try one. Black beans, avocado, the usual. Look who's here! This is my new favorite Pinot. Partly because it's named after me, but also it's just really good. And I don't usually like Pinot Grigios, but this one's really good. Happy Easter! We just left Kennebunkport, and now we're going to Krispy Kreme in Saco, Maine. How excited are you?
I'm more excited than you are.
Yeah, I wanted to go somewhere else for donuts. I wanted to get like gourmet ones, but nowhere.
Krispy Kreme is gourmet.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's good. It's like upscale.
You have some type of thing against Krispy Kreme.
It's like upscale Dunkin'. Like
No,
it's good,
not.
but it's not like gourmet donuts with like fruity pebbles on them. Although I don't know, maybe they do have fruity pebbles on them. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to Krispy Kreme. I tried to touch up my nails this morning, and I think I just made them look worse. They look pretty bad. And then I had to help Joanna move something, and then just smudged them all up, and it's a good time. It's so foggy out. It's so gross. We made it to Krispy Kreme! Wow, this place is actually pretty busy. Oh my god. Look at the little bunny one. They're so cute. Brian's gonna crown me. Brian's making such a mess. This powdered donut. Just your typical Easter tunes. Easter church service music. Now this is what I'm talking about. Where it's really at. If you don't listen to Kids Bop, you're fake. So it's later now. It's like, what, 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
Something like that. And Brian and I just got back from his sister's house. It was really fun. We ate some good food, and we played a rock band for like hours, which was really fun. I haven't played that in forever. And now we're just back and chilling and relaxing before Game of Thrones is on tonight, which is exciting. And yeah, we're just gonna eat some Cheez-Its, maybe drink some wine, and relax. I think I'm going to end off this weekend in my life right now. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!